This is your local news brief for Friday, June 25th, 2021. The city of Pasadena has now had a reported 11,324 COVID-19 cases and 349 COVID-associated deaths. As of Thursday, June 24th, 86.4% of Pasadena residents have received at least one COVID-19 vaccine dose, and 76.6% have been fully vaccinated. Local public health officials have reported dozens of new cases of the Delta variant of COVID-19 throughout Southern California. First detected in India in late 2020, the Delta variant is believed to be more contagious than other variants and has been detected in at least 80 countries and most states in the U.S. Health professionals, such as Huntington Hospital's infectious disease specialist, Dr. Kimberly Schreiner, are urging people to get vaccinated as soon as possible to deal with the threat of the new Delta variant. On Monday, June 21st, the Pasadena City Council adopted a nearly $900 million operating budget for the 2022 fiscal year. The proposed operating budget includes funding for city-affiliated agencies and capital improvement projects. It topped out at $897.8 million, exactly $20 million more than last year's fiscal budget. The city is maintaining a flat budget with services kept level and contractual obligations honored. According to the proposed budget, departments have mostly managed to keep their budgets relatively stable despite the COVID-19 pandemic. Although the budget was passed, economic and fiscal questions still linger. The budget is expected to continue to evolve as funding from the American Rescue Plan is committed and the local economy rebounds. Pasadena has already received $26 million from the American Rescue Plan Act. The proposed 2022 operating budget includes $286.7 million in appropriations from the general fund. The LA County Board of Supervisors has unanimously voted to extend a local eviction moratorium through September 30th, as other protections will begin to phase out. The county's moratorium applies where it does not overlap with state protections for residential tenants unable to pay rent due to COVID-19 related financial stress. It covers commercial evictions, no-fault evictions, and prohibits ousting tenants for unauthorized occupants, pets, and other nuisance. The motion was ultimately passed with multiple amendments, including a call for county lawyers and staffers to report back on the ability to make protections conditional on good faith efforts to apply for rent relief. Supervisor Sheila Kuehl said the extension is protecting tens of thousands of residents from eviction. Kuehl also acknowledged that small landlords are struggling and are in need of some assistance. Supervisor Janice Hahn said she had considered an amendment limiting the moratorium to tenants who have applied for state and local rent relief, but said she didn't believe such a motion would pass. For Pasadena Media, I'm Josh Morales.